Hello 12th class. This is your chapter 12 Computer Networks part 2 assignment 1. This is your question number 1. Identify the domain name and URL from the following. So this is the URL. In this you have to just find out the domain name and URL. Question number 2. What is web hosting? Question number 3. Write two characteristics of Wi-Fi. Question number 4. Which protocol is used to creating a connection with a remote machine? Question number 5. Write one characteristics each for 2G and 3G mobile technologies. Question number 6. Identify the type of topology from the following. Each node is connected with the help of a single cable. Each node is connected with the help of independent cable with central switching. Question number 7. Write one advantage of star topology network and also illustrate how 5 computers can be connected to each other using star topology of the network. Question number 8. Write one characteristics each of 2G and 3G mobile technology. Question number 9. Write one advantage of bus topology of network. Also illustrate how 4 computers can be connected with each other using bus topology of network. Question number 10. Differentiate between bus and star topology of network. Question number 11. What is VoIP? Question number 12. What is the importance of URL in networking? Question number 13. Question number 13. ABC International School is planning to connect all computers, each spread over a distance of 50 meters. Suggest an economic cable type having high-speed data transfer to connect these computers. Question number 14. Mahesh wants to transfer data within a city at very high speed. So write the wire transmission medium and type of network. Question number 15. Which device is used to connect all computers inside a lab? Question number 16. Which device is used to connect all computers to the internet using telephone wire? Question number 17. What is Wi-Fi card? Now question number 18. You have to write the answers of the following. Differentiate between PAN and LAN type of networks. Okay, now question number 18. In this question is based according to your exam pattern, that how this question is come in exam. Okay, so just read the question carefully, and in this question a case study based question is also there, so you have to write the answers for that, and I will discuss that question when I give you the solution of this assignment. Then I will discuss. So B part, which protocol helps us to transfer files to and from a remote computer? Question number C. Write two advantage of 3G over 2G mobile telecommunication technologies in terms of speed and services. Write two characteristics of Web 2.0. Write the basic difference between worm and Trojan horse. Now categorize the following under client side and the server side script category. Now G part is your case study based question. The Intelligent Hub India is a knowledge community aimed to uplift the standard of skills and knowledge in the society. It is planning to set up its training centers in multiple towns and villages pan India with its head offices in the nearest cities. They have created a model of their network with a city, a town and 3 villages as given. As a network consultant, you have to suggest the best network related solution for their problems raised in question number 1 to 4, and keeping in mind the distance between various locations and given parameters. Okay, so this is the head office X city and this is Y hub. These are the villages. Okay, now this is the distance between village 1 to Y town, village 2 to Y town. Okay, these are the distances. Now number of computers installed at various locations. So At Y town, 100 computers are there. Village 1, 10 computers are there. Village 2, 15 computers are there. Village 3, 15 computers are there. And city office, 5 computers are there. Now, in villages, there are community centers in which one room has been given as training center to this organization to install computers. The organization has got financial support from the government and top IT companies. Now, these are the four questions. First one, suggest the most appropriate location of the server in the Y hub. So you have total 4 location. You have to just give that which one is the location of the server in the Y hub. Okay, so that the best and the effective connectivity should be there. And you have to also justify your answer. Okay. Question number second, suggest the best wired medium and draw the cable layout location to efficiently connect various locations within the Y hub. Question number third, which hardware device will you suggest to connect all the computers within each location of Y hub? Fourth question, which server or protocol will be most helpful to conduct live interaction of experts from head office and people at Y hub locations? Okay. So just read this question carefully and then give your answer. Now question number 19. This Indian school in Mumbai is starting up the network between its different wings. So there are 4 buildings named as senior, junior, admin and hostel. Okay, this question is also based on the case study. So you have to see the question. This is the number of computer and these 4 are the questions. Okay, then you have to give the answers. Now same question number 20. So question number 20 is, Vidya Senior Secondary Public School in Nainital is setting up the network between its different wings. So there are 4 wings named as senior, junior, admin and hostel. So distance between various wings are given. Then you have to give answer based off these tables. Okay. So these are total 20 questions. So just all the best. Do your questions and then in the next class we will discuss solution. So thank you and have a nice